Okay, so I've had this keyboard for less than 24 hours. When I say this keyboard, I mean the one at the bottom here, the iClever keyboard. And I've had this other one for probably a couple years, but only recently I started using it for like a few weeks. And the reason why I went ahead and got this one is because it had really good reviews. And it seems like a really nice keyboard. And it's a trifold. And a few more reasons why I got it is because you can switch between 3 different devices. And it just looked more comfortable and reasonable to type. Like when you go to the 6 on this one versus this one you have to reach way over. And then this one you have to reach over from your left hand to reach the B. And it's really difficult. You can check out my video on the Cellet review. But my first impression is, yeah, it's pretty nice. I don't really like the way it leans. I go from an angle, it's just kind of leans to the sides because of the battery there. You won't have this problem with the BK05. This is the BK03, but the BK05 is a light up keyboard. It's bigger and it has little stands that you'll see, but it'll be like right here. It's a black thing and you just flip it up. I do not have that one, although I've checked it out. But I got this one because it's really small and it's actually smaller. It has a smaller profile than this one because it doesn't have this or the middle here in the way. So as you can see, the Cellet keyboard's longer, but not necessarily more room to type because you get that gap and you get quite a bit of gaps. And if I try to line them up here, they're about the same from key to key, except there's a big split in the Cellet keyboard. Some people had concerns about the iClever keyboard, about these hinges. They don't get in my way. Like I've typed on this some, haven't typed on it that long, and I'll have to do a review after using it longer. But so far I really like it. Anyways, it's like real smooth. If you can, snaps into place. The keys there, see that? It's really nice. Anyways, and this one just closes, and they're about the same size. The iClever keyboard is a little bit bigger. I like looking at it better, personally. The Cellet keyboard does come in this little, oops, wrong one, this case, which is also a phone stand. I don't know why I would use this, really. I mean, I have put it in here, but I mean, it does protect it, but it's not a huge thing, I guess, for me. It does protect stuff from getting inside of it and everything. But this one, I just really like how simple it is. And when you open it up, the light comes on and it automatically pairs to your device. I'm guessing it automatically pairs to device 1. In order to pair them, you press FN and then Q. And then I think it was, yeah, FNZ to actually pair the device, to put it in pair mode for one of these. You put it, like, I'm not going to do it right now, but you push down FN, Q, then it puts it in mode 1 for device 1, and then you do FNZ, and that puts it into pairing mode, and you can pair it with your device. But anyways, these are my hands pressing on the keyboard. It's not much bigger than the Cellet, but then again, it doesn't have that space there. The number keys are much easier to reach and type on. The space bar, let me go ahead and compare the space bars. The space bar on the Cellet is terrible, it's tiny. And on this one, much more room. The enter key on the Cellet keyboard, I normally accidentally hit enter rather than the quotation marks. And then this one, it's much easier, much more even. Look at all the keys, they're much more even in size. And then this, they cram them all in there. But yeah, they look very similar in color and quality-wise. This one feels really, really nice. But the hinge here makes it feel less nice. This, they both feel really nice quality when it comes to just touching it. I would say probably the iClever keyboard might feel a little bit more premium. And another big thing is the spacebar on the Cellet keyboard is split. On here, it's not. And on this one, it also shows the Apple keys for like iPad or Mac. And that's one thing to consider. But yeah, so far I'm liking the iClever more, but I'll have to do an update review for you. This is what you get in the box with the iClever keyboard. When you open the box, at the top, you have this in this pouch. And the pouch, it's okay, and I don't expect the highest quality. I mean, I'm not buying it for the pouch, but it could be better. But the pouch is alright there. I have a softer case that came with the headphones that I reviewed, and they feel premium. This one feels alright. It comes with an instruction manual, which you'll probably need because there's a few things that you're probably going to have a learning curve with on this keyboard. But what you also get is, let me see, a micro USB charging cable, and then you also get a phone stand. There we go. It's kind of cheap made. It's like, it feels really plastically, and it's got this little spot where you can open it up from. It's all right. It's definitely usable. I'm definitely gonna be using this a little bit. It's pretty much a free kind of gift that comes with the keyboard. Anyways, it's really nice, and yeah, that's what you get with it. And in the box, this is what the box looks like. Anyways, the unboxing experience for this device is average, but this is what comes in the box. I didn't see these before, but I looked in the box more, and it comes with these little stands that you can put on the bottom of your keyboard. I didn't see that before, but that's really cool, and I'll definitely be putting these on it. And this is how the keyboard looks when these are installed. When you open it up, it has a lot more grip to it, and it actually stands upright when you do that. It doesn't lean at all, that I can tell. It's not slippery. It's not going to just slip around. It feels really nice on there. When I close it, it just looks like this. Anyways, I definitely recommend putting these on. It really evens it out. Another thing to mention is with the Cellet keyboard, since it's a Bluetooth keyboard, I'm assuming that's it. Or it may be because it goes into sleep mode sooner. But when I start typing on it, it takes a minute for it to pair. It takes a couple seconds or so. So I have to wait for it to pair again, and then I can start typing. So far with this keyboard, the iClever, as soon as I start typing, it shows up on my iPad, which I don't know at what point it goes into sleep mode. I don't know if it just goes to sleep mode when I fold it in. I will have to put in the description or in the comments if it lags at all, like if it takes a second to pair back with my iPad. But the Cellet keyboard definitely does that, and it is annoying. But this one, I'll have to let you know if that does that. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I think it was 80% of my viewers are not subscribers, and in order to get this channel booming and for me to be able to review more tech videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.